I'm going to be making a natural soap today. This is what I call Comfort. Oh, it's such a wonderful scent. It's kind of a more of a holiday scent, but it's really nice all year round. I have it's 100% natural. I have my essential oils all mixed together with a little bit of kaolin clay. I will mix that up again before adding it in. This is a tiny bit of clove and then orange Valencia, and that clove just makes it magical. The bad thing about clove, well, two things. Number one, it has a very low usage rate, which is fine. It's still definitely usable and it still smells amazing. Number two, it moves fast. So even with a teeny tiny bit of that clove in there, the batter is going to set up very quickly. So what I'm going to do, actually let me backtrack real quick. I'm going to use rosehip powder as my main color. The thing with rosehip powder is if you do not gel it, it's kind of a yellowy orangey color. If you do gel it, then it's a really nice kind of a pinky burgundy. So I'm going to go ahead and gel that, and then I'm going to do some turmeric in there as well. So I'm going to fragrance 3/4 of the batch because it's going to move fast. Put that rosehip powder in there, pour it in, and then I'm going to do the other quarter with the turmeric. Hopefully I can do some little manipulations with the top of the soap. We'll see. But I'm gonna have to move fast. Now in here I have my goat's milk. I just mixed it. I did a powdered goat's milk this time, so I mixed it with the water and I strained it and then I poured it in there. And I'll emulsify that some before I add the lye solution. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that and get started.